Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Happy birthday, Max! Max is 8. It's Max's birthday tomorrow. Mom is making his favorite cake. But oh no! Max got sick. Look, he's sleeping. He has a fever. Mom made a pirate cake for Max. How old is Max today? Max is 8 years old today. He is feeling better. He is playing with his first present. It's a transformer. Shockwave.
Макс, с днем рождения! Ты готов задуть свечу?
Да.
Цифра 8. Тебе 8 лет сегодня. Загадай желание и задувай. Загадал желание? Ну давай, задувай. Ура! С днем рождения! Max, are you ready to blow out the candle?
Yes.
Okay. 8. Max is 8 years old. Blow, Max. Make a wish and blow. Ready? Make a wish and blow out the candle. Good job. Happy birthday. Be happy and healthy, my handsome Max. Happy birthday, Max.
Thanks.
How old are you today?
8.
Max is 8 years old, and we're going to play Treasure Hunt. There's the pirate on the cake. We'll play Treasure Hunt and hunt for what?
Clues.
Clues, and we'll find what?
Presents.
Presents! We'll find presents in the end. Yay!
Let's get started. Here is the game.
I'm moving to L5. Is the treasure hidden in L5?
No, keep looking.
Is the treasure hidden in I5?
No, but you've come to Candyland. You have to eat some candies.
Is the treasure hidden in J4?
No, the treasure is not hidden here, but you've come to Smile Land. You have to smile here. Smile a while, and while you smile, others will smile, and there will be miles of smiles. Smile a while, and while you smile, others will smile, and there will be miles of smiles. And soon there will be miles and miles of smiles just because you smiled. Are you smiling there? I hope you are.
Is the treasure hidden in J6?
No, it's not, but you've come to Music Land. You have to sing this song here. It's a beautiful legend about the windows of gold. Can you sing it, Max? Can you do it? Can you do it?
There is a legend that has often been told of the boy who searched for the windows of gold. The beautiful windows he saw far away. When he looked in the valley at sunrise, he said he ought to go down to the valley below. But he lived on a mountain that was covered with snow. And he knew it would be a difficult trek, but that was a journey he wanted to make. So he planned by day and he dreamed by night of how he could reach that great shining light. And what a golden morning when the dawn broke through. The valley sparkled with the diamonds of dew. He started to climb down the mountainside with the windows of gold as his goal and guide. He traveled all day, all weary and worn, with bleeding feet and clothes that were torn. He entered the peaceful valley town. shining white. The windows were dark that had once been bright, and hungry and tired and lonely and cold. He cried, "Won't you show me the windows of gold?" And a kind hand touched him and said, "Behold, high on the mountains are the windows of gold." For the sun going down in a great golden ball had burnished the windows of his cabin so small. And the kingdom of God and his great shining white was the golden windows that shone so bright is not a far distant place somewhere. It's as close to you as a silent prayer.
Thank you for singing, Max. You're such a good singer. I love you.
Is the treasure hidden in G5?
Is the treasure hidden in G5? No, you've come to Kissland. Mwah! I have to kiss you. Keep looking. You're almost there. You're very close. Is the treasure hidden?
Is the treasure hidden in G4?
Yes, you found the treasure. Okay, let me give you the treasure. There, in the first treasure, you will find your first clue. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, Max is waiting for his first clue. Here, Max.
Oh.
The first clue is somewhere in that yellow bag. Ooh, Pirates Past Noon. I can see a book. There are two books.
Oh.
One book is in English, one book is in Russian. Oh, you see the first clue? Can you read it? What does the first clue? Oh, you see more things. Oh, it's a mug. A minion mug. Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
What else is in there? Ooh, a game. It's like Spot It. Ooh. Anything else? Two spotted games. Okay, we can play them later. Can you read the first clue? The first clue is in the pirate book because we just played Pirate Treasure.
Clue.
Treasure hunt.
Clue number 1. Pirates like to dig to find different treasures. You have to dig to find your second clue.
Okay, so this is your first clue. Are you ready to find your second clue? Where will you find it? Pirates like to dig. Where do you think you have to look for now?
Here.
No, you have to look somewhere in the apartment. Pirates like to dig. Where do you think you should go? Dig, dig, dig. Where do they dig? In the... Think, Max, think. Where do pirates dig? Where can you dig? What do you need to dig? In where?
In the bedroom.
You dig in the bedroom. No, you have something.
Bed.
Okay, you have something you like to play with, and you can dig in there. What is it? You put it on the table, and you play with it, and you can dig in there.
Sand.
Yeah, so...
Sandbox.
Sandbox, okay.
Sandbox.
Sandbox. Let's go.
Let's go to the sandbox.
Yeah. Okay, Max found his sandbox. Open it.
Sandbox.
Sandbox. Of course, you need sand to dig, right, Max?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what is hiding in your sand? We're looking for the next clue because Max wants to find his treasure. His presents. He already found some presents. Oh, there's a clue. Is it a clue? Okay, can you put it on top and read it? Clue number 2.
Clue number 2. Okay, Max, you've been a good pirate. Here's the last clue
To help you?
to help you find your treasure, your little present.
By the way,
By the way,
BTY means... Wait, I can't see. By the way,
happy
birthday.
birthday.
Okay. Is there anything else here? Let's see. Oh, Since books are a real treasure, your present is hidden among books. Your soft toys will help you, Max. Think, and find your present. Okay, Max, your soft toys and books? Books are a real treasure. So your next clue is among the books. Your soft toys are sitting on the books. Okay. What's in there? Yeah, what's in there? Is there anything there?
This one.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
There's another clue?
The bear was sitting.
Okay, the bear was sitting on your next clue.
Your present is under the bed. Have fun. Let's go to the bed.
Yeah, well, we are right here. The present is under the bed. See the arrow?
I know.
The arrow is pointing down. Okay.
Under the bed.
Under the bed.
Oh, yay. Oh, yay. Super.
Super duper. Do you see any presents under the bed?
Yes.
Whoa. One present. What is it? Oh, you have to make something. Interesting. Okay, we can do it later.
And the second present.
Yeah, there's the last one. And she got it for you. Anti-stress toy. One more anti-stress toy. And one more transformer.
Grimlock.
Wow, is it Grimlock?
Yes, it's
Oh.
Grimlock.
Wow, Max, you found lots of treasures. Lots of little presents. How about we take a picture of all of them? Okay, let's put them on the table and take a picture. Okay, you can open and look at them all. Max, how old are you today? 8. Are you tired?
Yes.
Yes, you're tired. Did you enjoy your treasure hunt?
Yes.
What is your favorite present? Which present did you like the best?
Shockwave.
Shockwave. That purple one. How about the books? Did you like Pirates Past Noon? Look, it's in Russian and in English. We can read both books. It's working! Look at the ball, Max! Wow, and you made it yourself! Wowzers! On, off. Max, turn it on. Can you turn it off? Max, how many balls do you have?
2.
2? There are 2 balls. Look, the ball is flying in the air. It's flying. Today is Max's birthday. It's Max's birthday today. And this is one of his presents. Vacuum cleaner. Look, the carpet is all clean now. Max has a new vacuum cleaner. This is a big one, big piece of paper. Okay, can you show me the filter, Max? Turn off the vacuum cleaner. Let's see what's inside the filter. Turn it off. Open the filter. Whoa! Flew away. Come back. Filter, come back. Can I see what's inside? Show me. Ooh. Paper. Do you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. We have a vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Max is vacuuming the floor, the carpet. Max has a vacuum cleaner. It's working, Max. The paper pieces are too big for our vacuum cleaner. It works.
Later that day, Max had a very high fever again. But don't worry, Max is a strong and healthy boy. He was much better the next day. Can you spot two same things? I see two. What? Rainbow, rainbow. Two rainbows. Can you spot two same things here? I see two. What? Bear, bear. I see two bears with presents. Can you spot three same things here? I see three. What? I see three robots. And here? I see three. What? I see three angels. The first part of Max's birthday present was playing treasure hunt and finding presents. The second one was a trip to the Oceanarium. To be continued. Thank you for learning English with us. Email, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Like and subscribe, please. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader.